Central, the arena in San Juan. UST with a 2-point lead, 8-6 in the first set. Let's look at that last sequence.
There you go. Right on the line.
And this is the combination play. Hiratsuji and Caballero finishing it off.
Good start here for UST.
Caballero had 12 points also. 3 players had 12 points against Ateneo. And then Banaticla, who was the best player in that game, 15 points. And of course, we had the special mention to Loren Lantin. Coach thought it was a net block. Oh!
Rojas, yes, with back-to-back blocks on Banaticla. Good timing here by Rojas.
Yep.
Yun, nasa taas niya talaga kinuha with, of course, that flip of the arm.
Michelle Bagang. Go back to Maru. Great attack. But Vargas looking to counter. And off the blocker to tie the game at 8.
You can really sense that Coach Ness wants this win. He's been up on his feet from the very first play, shouting instructions to the girls. Bawat balik ng bola, talagang binibigyan niya ng instructions yung setter.
Giselle C. Agno keeping it up. We're looking at the back, be quick. Banaticla opens up.
They're reading every play. It's like a play-by-play by the coaches.
Vargas looks at the spot. She took a look prior to the attack. Right idea, just a little wide. Let's look at that. Sumilip siya. Ang taas pa rin ng bola kahit paano, pero ito sa labas.
That's right. Clearly, Caballero seeing that ball was going out.
Now it's Hiratsuji.
Nice serve.
Chelsea with the underhand set. Nakailalim si Rose Vargas, giving UST another 2-point lead.
The biggest issue with Vargas has always been her consistency. No? Kita naman natin, hindi perfect yung set coming from Michelle because she was really running after the ball. So pagka ganon, you gotta adjust and of course give up some power. Make sure na maipasok mo lang muna, go for the percentage shot.
3-point for FEU. And on deck is Giselle C. Giselle C telegraphing what Timakulangan did. Rojas keeps it up. They go back to Vargas. Sent back by UST. Agno.
Vargas turned back.
Wow.
Tried to chase it.
Almost there, yeah, on time. These were 2 consecutive blocks. This one from Rhea. Ito may habol ni Agno. Almost there. Konti na lang.
Agno, incredible season so far for her. Best digger.
Solid block from Ortiz.
You know, USD is just a different team from when they started up at 0-2. Their confidence level is just so high, and the crowd has really come out to watch them, which has really fueled more of, yun na, kahit si Loren, di ba, dun sa interview niya, sinabi niya na, una kinabahan siya, pero parang nakita niya suporte eh. Laking bagay eh. At 4 na. Lamang, abante ng UST, timeout si Coach Ness.
Tingnan lang natin yung nangyayari. Pag matake tayo, kumoverage tayo. Ngayon, pag kumoverage tayo ito, magmanaliin yung taas ang bola. So, pag block na yan, nakita nyo yung block, dahan-dahan itaas natin para may set pa. Hindi biglaan yung bibilisan. Ha? Basta kita, pag block na gano'n, dahan-dahan itaas, atakein natin ulit. Okay? Ha? So, tingnan nyo lang yung anong ginagawa ng basahin nyo yung ginagawa ng Rose. Cover na eh. Kapag dito, nagpagkira na ang set eh.
Ang hindi pa natin masyado nakikita sa skill set ni Rose pati, madagdagan natin yung usapan kanina. Yan, yung swipe.
That's right. Kasi nga power lang siya. One direction, basta kailangan malakas. And she only has one speed, sabi nga natin, talagang full swing going at the ball.
The Kalamban native on your screens. Maruha Malabo Banaticla. Chelsea back to Vargas. That time through the block.
Nice.
Nahuli yung block.
10.
That's right.
Serving 13.
Seeing the opening, Vargas again with that powerful cross-court hit.
This is Rojas
Serving for FEU. Number 2.
Benjamin
Nate
Rojas.
Rojas.
on your screens.
Nice serve from Majory.
From San Antonio de Padua College, Alaminos Laguna, who has also improved from a very lanky rookie last year.
Nice serve. Gaganda ng serves.
And the strength behind her attacks and her serves is just by leaps and bounds from last year.
Oh, those are two service aces right there.
Ganun-ganun lang. Yung apat na lamang ng UST reduced to 1. Vallejo handling that one. Reverse set. Ortiz is checked. But the play is still alive. Lastimosa. Giselle C opens up to Vargas. Little top spin. Lastimosa again. Giselle C. Eulalio just sends it over. A chance here for UST. Ortiz was asking for it. That's out.
That's inside.
It's in.
That's right. It hits the line. It was a long ball for Ortiz. The set was a bit far from the net.
Ortiz has really come into her own, Ian. Out of the shadows of Aiza Maizo.
There you go. Right on the line.
Number 1, Rhea Dimaculangan, serving.
Dimaculangan always has been one of the more consistent servers
Outside hit by
in her career.
Yes.
Many times, the best server, a couple of times in the UAAP as Eulalio miscalculates that attack. 15 serving 12, UST.
Dimaculangan.
Playing with their nose in front here so far in the first set. Giselle. Oh, that's a great attack from Rosemary from the other side.
12.
Really? She's so impressive whenever she gets an opening. Kaya niyang palusutan pag isang blocker. Like this play, it was only Lastimosa who went up for the block. And Vargas.
Third best scorer in the league, Ian.
Oh.
And a service point for her. Now, when you say best scorer, kasama yun.
Kasama yun.
Oh.
Even the offensive blocks are counted.
Correct.
In that department.
It's not just all about the attacks and the kills. Takes a look at that setup for UST. Good serve. Yun ang mahirap minsan pag malayo masyado sa net, ano?
Yeah.
15.
And she picked up the ball with at a very low height. So nakatupi na yung arms niya. So talagang hindi lalampas ng net. 15 all right now.
From the Olongapo High School. Rosemary Vargas trying to break the tie. Floating out.
That's right.
Plus 1 for UST.
Looked like it was going to drop, but then parang lumipad. Palabas. 16-15 UST still ahead.